Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Sid, the Garage Boy. I quickly wanted to show you a kind of a difficult piece to remove from 2014 Volkswagen Passat, which is the thermostat housing and water pump. I was going to go ahead and just do it without recording it, but it's pretty difficult. And don't get scared by it. It's kind of like housed inside the engine bay. If you go ahead and go inside, there's just not enough room to film. So that's why I'm gonna go ahead and show it to you now when I have the engine out. I did an engine replacement, and what ended up happening for me, which I will need to go ahead and replace, is this part right here of the thermostat housing, which is kind of like a hose. This broke. So this basically sat here for me, right, kind of like that. That broke, if you see here. So I think the previous owner tried to glue it up maybe, and when I tried to remove the hose, it was already loose and it just broke off, kind of like that. So yeah, just be careful when removing the hose from here. It's a little weak. Now I can't just go ahead and get this part again online. I have to get the whole thing. I went to the dealership, it was $400, and I'm not gonna spend that much just for this piece, right? So I went on eBay and I checked it out. I found a aftermarket part thermostat housing for $87, so I went ahead and bought it. Now, in order to remove this will basically have about 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm sorry, I'm looking at a different way. It'll have 1, 2, 3. One screw is behind this one right here on the back, and 3, 4. I don't know if you guys can see it right there. 5. So about 5 screws, plus you will have this guy kind of sitting on the bottom here, protecting this housing. It's gonna sit kind of like this, like that. Okay, so remove that. Once you remove that, you're gonna have a water pump belt right here. It's gonna sit like this, and just take it out. The cover comes out. Where did the cover go? Okay, yeah, right here. So the cover basically kind of sits like that. Oh yeah, like this, something like that. Okay, so you just take it out, and the water pump is gonna become loose because you already took out the screws. You take this out. You won't need to change the belt. Just make sure you don't have any cracks. This one looks pretty good. The one that I installed the engine, this one is, I may have to switch, because if this almost brand new. So just make sure there's no cracks in it, and you should be good to reuse the belt. It's just very difficult to remove this bolt right here. It's gonna be very hard. But if you need to, go ahead and unscrew this. This belt will become free. It will just slide out from here. And then you could put a new one on, and then go ahead and put all the parts together. Now, I just showed it to you in a very easy manner. It does have, while I was taking it out here, outside the car, right? This part broke, right? This basically sits right there, like that. Sorry, like this. It actually kind of sits like this. It's kind of loose like that. So yeah, it's gonna sit like that. And yeah, I mean, it's plastic, so just be very careful trying to remove it. And as you can see over here, this is also had some silicone on, so there's no leaks and stuff. So you may have to clean this up, put new silicone on, and bind it up again. So that's pretty much it. I wanted to give you a quick demo since the thermostat housing is, since the engine is already outside. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Leave a thumbs up, and so that I can go ahead and share more videos with you. All right, take care. Bye.